What does power mean to you?
Power to me means the ability to make my own decisions. Everybody's scenarios, life is so different. दूसरे के experiences से learn करना चाहिए, but I think उतने पे छोड़ देना चाहिए. Emulate करना. So I am a big follower of Indra Nooyi. If can we make a platform which will highlight products that will help you or enable a better lifestyle for you and for the planet and for the environment. And you will also be happy thinking कि we are contributing in a positive manner. एनवायरनमेंट को भी एक नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट नहीं होगा, प्लस स्मॉल बिजनेसेस का भी ग्रोथ होगा, लोगों को अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे, एक्सक्लूसिव वन ऑफ अ काइंड थिंग.
What does power mean to you?
Power to me means the ability to make my own decisions. That's about it, because and that's what I want to pass on to my kids. I have two daughters. I just want them to give to pass on that ability to be able to make their own decisions. Nobody should take that away from you. Should have a mind of your own, even if it is not in line with what generally how it should be. But it's totally fine to be out of the league. But that's power to me, that you're able to think for yourself, you're able to do what you think is right without having that concern of how others are going to feel or react to it. I think yes, that's like real power for me. Yeah.
So, very important thing that you've said, ability to be your own self. Do you think women today have that power?
It's very complicated, I feel, because with so much of content thrown and so much of information in the market, that you should, if you use this then you look like this, or you use this and then you become this. So then where is the time to be yourself, right? It's always uh, it's always following the path, somebody emulating somebody, and or trying to live up to somebody's expectations, like not very big ones, but
Yes,
generally
absolutely.
in family or to your parents. So I really don't feel that and I don't think people put any thought into being themselves, because it's a very difficult conversation with oneself, and you really realize a lot of things about yourself which are sometimes happy, sometimes sad. I don't think people do it. As women, though, we don't have the
नहीं, बिल्कुल
liberty to
बिल्कुल
do it.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
तो India is a very complex place.
हाँ.
We have different religions, we have different customs. हम काफी सारे situations को भी जूझते हैं, right?
हाँ. हाँ.
As
As
women,
women,
right?
हाँ.
अभी आप you have two daughters, I have one daughter. You have a toddler, you have a
Yeah.
teen,
Yeah.
right? And you are an entrepreneur, you have investors. How do you manage all this?
So I try to keep it simple, because what I'm doing, जो मैं अभी कर रही हूँ,
हाँ
जो मैंने
हाँ
choose किया है, that
हाँ.
is after spending about 12 to 15 years into uh, into into a work life where I was completely doing something very different. I was in the corporate world, so there was no connection to what we are doing here. तो वो करते करते you develop a certain different kind of a grit only. कि अभी अभी जब when I decided कि हाँ 13-15 years के बाद मुझे एक ब्रेक लेना है,
हाँ.
और अब ब्रेक लेना है, तो you have family already.
Yes.
I have a 13-year-old and a 3-year-old, so there's a big
Big
gap.
gap.
We as parents have also, हम भी बहुत बदल गए हैं,
हाँ.
तो वो करना, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स अगर आपका अपना बिजनेस है तो यू हैव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू सपोर्ट people grow it as well. And that's been a challenge. How do I do it? There's no set formula, frankly. Every day is new. I also learn so much from everybody I meet. The good thing is that I see people doing it. I know it's possible, क्योंकि वो मुझे दिख रहा है in my fraternity.
Yes.
Like women are doing
हाँ,
it, right?
बिल्कुल
And every
बिल्कुल
day there's somebody putting it out there that yeah, I did it, and they're not making it look impossible. So I'm sure that it can be done. How I'm doing it is like an evolving process. But yeah, there is a big balance act. There is no balancing because कुछ तो हम मिस कर ही रहे हैं. जो हम कर रहे हैं उसमें कहीं तो कुछ मिस हो ही जा रहा है. But I think we are prioritizing कि हमें क्या, like right now, my kids have reached that stable stage. Of course, they are very critical stages right now, but एक stage है कि थोड़ा समझ गए हैं कि हाँ, my mother is away for this time. This is something that she values in life, and we cannot really take this away from her. And I wanted them to develop that understanding. So we some ways कभी कुछ मिस होता है, कभी कुछ हो मिल जाता है. And investors and the entire way of presenting yourself is
yes
a very big space. It's a continued process, I feel. So I'm also trying, but I'm not perfect. Nobody is. So ऊंच नीच चलती ही रहती
चलती
है.
रहती. तो वो जो फॉर्मूला है, I call it imperfectly being perfect, right? So are you chasing that?
I think I'm just living each day as it comes. क्योंकि हर दिन इट्स नॉट ओनली डिपेंडेंट ऑन मी ना. इवन इफ आई फील कि ठीक है इम्परफेक्टली परफेक्ट में भी चलो जैसे काम चल रहा है हो जाएगा,
हाँ.
बट दूसरे को भी उसके साथ
चलना
they
है.
should be in harmony. Like I have a family, I have a mother, I have a husband, then there are people I employ, then there are people who I want to see my business, me to get noticed or my business to grow. तो वो सब करने के लिए I think if you can just invest a little bit time in who you want to be seen as, I think that will help. That's my very small learning. I've also not learned it very quickly. I'm now what, like 20 years I've worked, and then now I've started realizing that मुझे अगर अपनी समझ आएगी कि who am I, what do I want to do, then I can do everything.
मेरे को लगता है कि काफी बार हम एज फीमेल्स वी have to make tough decisions, very tough decisions,
Every day.
right? We have to. And sometimes these tough decisions, the scale is different, right? Sometimes
Yeah.
the scale is like आज less tougher decision है, कल बहुत ही tough. आज less tougher decision है, कल बहुत ही tough decision है.
Yeah.
What would you like to tell to a young entrepreneur who's exploring this space and wants to be um, someone giving their best? How do they balance this?
I would just say that, don't fret too much. This day is going to go away, it's going to pass. No problem is, I mean, I think हम लोग अपने दिमाग में भी बहुत बड़ा बना लेते हैं कुछ चीज़ों को. Like even the concept of parenting or family, हमारा इंडिया में it's a different way it's done. फिर हम लोगों को देखते हैं वो एक तरीके से अपने बच्चे को रेज करे तो हमें लगता है हमें भी ऐसे ही करना है. तो वो जो कंपैरिजन कंपटीशन वो थोड़ा सा छोड़ के maybe if we just try to keep it simple and again see what gives you happiness, then go by that. I think that might help. That's what I feel. क्योंकि prioritize करते करते भी there is a time when it's just you give up.
Yes, absolutely.
And it's not that tough. I think
हाँ.
एक दिन निकल
निकल
जाता
जाता
है
है.
और
I know. Or there is always, today is a tough day, tomorrow is going to be a great
Yeah.
day. And if you take it like a learning process, कि आज के दिन से जो भी tough situations थे, what did I learn and how do I move forward with this learning and try to improve on that entire learning curve that I am on. So
Yeah.
it's something that I feel.
Yeah, of course. I mean, tough is a tough word. I mean, what is tough? क्या tough नहीं है. और अब अगर we have chosen कि हमको ऐसे करना है, like you've given up your corporate life and you're here, तो अभी तो there are going to be challenges, but then this is what you chose, and you chose this because this was making you more happy. So then also the concentration should be to be happy. तो अभी थोड़ा मुश्किल है तो भी there are good parts also to it. Like I have flexibility to do things with my kids.
Right.
I have the flexibility to create an impact on people. I have the अगर मुझे willingness थी तो मैं अभी वो कर पा रही हूँ. तो वो is a good what do you call a barter.
Yes.
What else do you do every day that's the crux of it.
So if you have to give an advice to a younger Pallavi,
Hmm.
20 years back, like,
Okay.
so what will be that one advice to yourself?
Yeah, so I think I did not I didn't know myself. I still don't know, and I was not clear as to why I want to do what I want to do. So I was always very into too. I mean, I wanted to do too many things, and but I never had a reason. कुछ clear ही नहीं था कि for the longest period of time, I didn't know that क्यों करना चाहती हूँ मैं जो मैं करना चाहती हूँ. Why did I leave my job? I have no clue. Why did I choose to settle down, move back from the US and settle down in Bangalore? I have no clue. So matlab some thought has to be put. I feel younger people are आजकल की generation is very clear. They know what they want very early in life.
Yes.
I think हमारा we were career driven, but there were fewer paths. Then once you take that career, then your life goes in a certain direction, and then you go with the flow. You don't put any thought into it. So that's what happened with me. So I would actually go. I have no regrets. I'm happy, very happy with how where I am right now. But I would have done it a little differently, for sure.
So, what do you mean by differently?
I mean, I would have
Being more structured?
I would have maybe done it in a manner that so much time wouldn't have lapsed before I realized, this is what I wanted to do. Maybe I would have studied for it also. Like, I feel that I have an inclination towards art and craft and cultural, Indian, the handicraft or the entire learning of that is I don't have. I'm inclined towards mindfulness. I don't really have a training or a coaching in that area. It's not too late, but I now feel that I'm doing this and I'm kind of settled here. But बहुत बारी लोग सिखा कर जाते हैं because नहीं पता है मुझे कि तो सीखना तो हमेशा पड़ेगा, but कुछ अगर और एक like I would have been able to invest a little bit more time and energy there, it would have been nice.
मेरा एक इंटरेक्शन हुआ था एक यंग लड़की के साथ. शी वाज टेलिंग मी when I was having this conversation with some MBA grads. So she was telling me, how do you manage so much? So the way you said, this question is always there. I think they are on the other side of the journey.
Right now.
We are on the other side of the journey. We have learned and moved forward. This confusion and clarity. There are two things. The way you said, the audience today is far more evolved. They know a lot of things, but there is a lot of confusion and chaos also at the same time. What is one thing that you would tell to the young women entrepreneurs or aspiring women leaders, that this is one thing that you must do to keep yourself centered?
So I would say chart your own path, because अभी again like I said, I started with saying that मुझे कभी-कभी लगता है कि इतना content है इस वक्त, जैसे हम लोग भी अभी बात कर रहे हैं,
बिल्कुल.
we are creating content,
Yes.
right? The intention of creating this content is कि इसको किसी को इससे कुछ मदद हो कि हम लोग अपने एक्सपीरियंस बता रहे हैं, तो
बिल्कुल.
अगर कोई सुने तो उसको लगे कि अच्छा ठीक है मैं ये कर रही थी, इन्होंने तो ये किया हुआ है, तो मे बी आई लर्न फ्रॉम इट. बट अभी my journey, personal journey also, there is I don't think कि कोई मेरे ऐसे इसको copy कर सकता है. You can't, because how my life evolved, what I studied, how my parents were, what kind of a family I got married into, how my kids are, all that affects your entire, it affects your professional career as well.
Right.
So then अगर आप सोचो कि हाँ ठीक है इन्होंने इस तरीके से बनाया है और इनकी ये जर्नी थी, I learn from it. I would say you hear us out, but then chart your own path, because everybody's scenarios, life is so different कि दूसरे के एक्सपीरियंसेस से लर्न करना चाहिए, बट आई थिंक उतने पे छोड़ देना चाहिए. एम्यूलेट करना, कॉपी कि हाँ ऐसा मेरी भी जिंदगी, शायद अगर मैं ये करूँगी, अच्छा ठीक है आपने इंजीनियरिंग करी, MBA किया, देन यू डिड दिस एंड देन यू लेफ्ट एंड देन यू kind of associated with this and this is how your career was shaped. I don't think that's
That's the
That's
right approach.
yeah, it's not possible.
Hmm.
क्योंकि when I took a break, क्यों लिया मैंने, मेरा mental setup कैसा था, आपका क्या है, what, where are you starting from? It's all different. So I don't think I have anything to preach, but I would just say that identify yourself and then do what makes you happy, because that's what I tell my girls all the time कि तुम कुछ भी करो but you should be happy. You know, whatever you do, I mean आजकल तो बहुत complexities है ना, how do you interact with people, or as boy girl whatever, but I tell them whatever it is, firstly so it should come to me. I should be your place of sharing everything, like anything and everything, and also the aim should be that HAPPY. If that's not there, then there is, what is the point?
Yes, absolutely. So, connected to this, I have another very interesting question is that um, parenting is difficult, especially when mothers, working mothers, it's very difficult, right?
Yeah.
So, how do you balance this entire space? As you said, that you travel a lot for your souks, and you also manage a very, very interesting and quite challenging portfolio because there is a lot of education that you need. So could you just tell something about some 3 tips that you would like to give to young mothers who would like to lead from the front and be that powerful parent? So what do you think is that?
So I'm a big follower of Indra Nooyi. I really, whatever is out there of her content, I think I have heard
Red.
her out completely.
Okay.
Not to say that I would like to, like I follow her or I think that she's the OG of parenting
Yes,
or
yes.
whatever, but I think she makes sense, a lot of it, that you know, there are, I mean, kids, they kind of go with the flow. So abhi mere bachche are very, you know, have been brought up in a very different manner, because I have been a very different parent, in the sense that I have been there like a little too much than required also, now I feel. अगर थोड़ा कम भी होता तो they wouldn't have missed on anything. So I feel we, हम पहला तो ये है कि हम अपने को बहुत I think हम लोग we punish ourselves a little too much
As
for,
women?
yeah, and we think of it, बहुत बड़ा सोचते हैं हम इस बात को कि यू नो अगर हम नहीं है बच्चे के सामने तो ओ माय गॉड क्या हो जाएगा, कि द एंटायर वर्ल्ड इज आउट देयर टू कुछ कर देगा बच्चे को, कुछ हो जाएगा, बट ऐसा नहीं है. आई मीन दैट दे सब कुछ हो जाता है, चीजें संभल जाती हैं, एवरीथिंग इज टेकन केयर ऑफ. इवन इफ यू आर नॉट प्लानिंग इट टू द टी, kids are also very, you know, they manage things, and that ability should be there. We take it away from them sometimes. Then the second thing I feel as a parent, which thankfully I have not done for my kids, कि हम लोग जो हमेशा present रहते हैं तो हम उनकी सारी problem solve करने की कोशिश करते हैं, which I feel we should not do. So I think definitely we should not blame ourselves कि you know I'm not there. That is very important. जितना भी आप हो, that is more than enough for the child. And then if you also communicative with the child कि you know this is what I'm doing out of my time and this is what I'm building. And then the second thing is we can't solve their problems 100%. वो तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए. They should be able to solve their problems. Otherwise हम जिंदगी भर तो ये नहीं करने वाले हैं. And I think the third thing is that whatever opportunity you have to spend time with them, then it has to be like completely present there. So then it cannot be कि हाँ ठीक है आज today I've taken an off, but I'm watching a movie with them, which is a great. But then where is the interaction?
So you mean to say there has to be a choice between quantity and quality, the quality time that you spend?
Yeah, so I feel that presence, awareness of you completely being there with the child, because they are able to read it. So my 3-year-old is so smart. She will know that, you know, mama is here, but she's zoned out. So her mind is thinking कि अच्छा मुझे what is my next email going to say to that person. She can figure it out. And she'll be there, mama please stop thinking about your work for some time, mama please stop doing your work. And she will want me to be like completely, and I'm a big follower of Shah Rukh Khan for that because he talks about awareness and presence so well, and I think he is present and aware, because that's what you hear from everybody.
Yes.
I've never had the privilege to meet him, but I think he's the OG of awareness. I think
Hmm.
that is very important
Yes.
for our time with the kids, because वो शायद एक दिन में एक महीना भी मिला ना, तो it's like
Yeah.
they're happy memories with
Right.
you.
Right. 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 Right.
I'm
Uh,
also trying.
yeah. So all of us are on that
Yeah.
journey, and it's not easy. I know. I also have a daughter.
How
12.
old is she?
She's 12,
Oh.
and I have. I think majority of my time has gone in, creating something from the scratch, like the
Yeah,
way you have
yeah,
done.
yeah.
So she understands and comprehends everything from a very, very deep lens. And the way you said that, as a mother, as a woman entrepreneur, there's so much pressure on us to, give our best, and we tend to drain out, and that is what impacts our overall well-being also.
Yeah,
So
it
somewhere
does.
you have to draw the line and make them independent, and try and create something which is like sustainable.
Hmm.
That's what I
Hmm.
feel, that
Yeah, absolutely. And they are very smart. I feel हमारे बच्चे are quite smart.
they are well
And
aware.
generally also when you interact with that this
Yes,
generation, no, they
yes,
are clear.
they are clear about what they want.
Hmm.
Tell me something about your journey, how you started your brand. Why did you start? Because you're a techie,
Hmm.
right?
No, I'm not. I did study engineering, but I went ahead and did my MBA. I started my career with Wipro. Started off as a into SAP
Hmm.
business development.
Hmm.
Started off in Bangalore. I'm basically from Allahabad,
Hmm.
the big Kumbh place
Yes, yes, yes.
that's being
That's
talked about right
the
now.
that's the happening trending place.
Prayagraj,
Yes.
yes. So I spent the first 18 years there. I studied in St. Mary's Convent all throughout. Passed out, moved to Nagpur for my engineering, then went to GIM, Goa for my MBA. Started my career with Wipro and moved to the US. I was living there and had a kid. And then I started looking at things from a very started scrutinizing everything. क्या खाने के लिए आ रहा है, क्या क्या
Hmm.
कपड़े, क्या what linen and all that. And then thankfully we moved back to India. एंड देन इंडिया में मुझे पता है कि यूएस में एवरीथिंग वाज एक्चुअली जो हम खा रहे थे या
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
वो सब कुछ हम इंडिया बेस्ड ही ले रहे
हाँ.
थे मोस्टली अ लॉट ऑफ दोस थिंग्स बट देन मोस्टली दोस थिंग्स वर नॉट अवेलेबल हियर दे वर अवेलेबल हियर बट कुछ भी कोई रिटेल फ्रंट पे नहीं मिलता था लाइक इफ यू गो टू store, a supermarket, then those things were not very easily available. I'm talking about simple, like a nice body lotion for my kid without any, chemicals and
Yes.
so उस तरीके की चीजें. And then I started my kid was just going to the pre-school wala phase. Then I started interacting with parents here, and a lot of people had come back from the US and they had started on their own, but most wives were doing things from home. So they were making these ragi malls. They were making these, the चने के दाल का स्क्रब होता है
Right,
that
right,
हम
right.
बच्चे को
हाँ,
लगाते हैं for
बिल्कुल.
them to मालिश के पहले मालिश के तेल.
हाँ, हाँ.
My kid was at that age, so bed linen देखना. तो मुझे लगा कि everything I was sourcing on WhatsApp. Message करो, phone करो, WhatsApp करो, and then they would send it to you home. बन सब कुछ रहा था बैंगलोर में different pockets. So I thought I quickly realized that एक अगर aggregator होता like just somebody on a phone call only, okay, this is my list, can you, but then you have to coordinate with these 6 people to get it to me. I just thought about it and I lived with that idea because it wasn't formed well. Then after a couple of years when researched on it, talked to people and saw that these things were available but there was no visibility. People who were making these products were also, उनको ये नहीं पता था कि हम कितना बेच पाएंगे, तो हम वेबसाइट में इन्वेस्ट करें या हम अपना लोगो बनवाएं, देन हम कहाँ पे बेचने जाएं, बिकॉज नॉर्मल स्टोर्स में रखेंगे तो कोई देखेगा ही नहीं क्योंकि प्राइस ज्यादा है, छोटे छोटे बैचेस में बन रहा है. तो उनके लिए एक अलग स्टोर फ्रंट होना चाहिए, जैसे यूएस में होते हैं, राइट, आइल्स होते हैं, इको फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट्स, सस्टेनेबल प्रोडक्ट्स, देयर आर डिफरेंट आइल्स. इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर इट यू जस्ट गो देयर एंड यू शॉप फॉर इट. यहाँ पर वो नहीं था. एंड देन आई थॉट दैट दिस, इफ can we make a platform which will highlight products that will help you or enable a better lifestyle for you and for the planet and for the environment, and you will also be happy thinking ki we are contributing in a positive manner. एनवायरनमेंट को भी एक नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट नहीं होगा, प्लस स्मॉल बिजनेसेस का भी ग्रोथ होगा, लोगों को अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे, एक्सक्लूसिव वन ऑफ अ काइंड थिंग्स, एंड दैट्स हाउ आवर बेटर प्लैनेट वाज born. We kind of started the entire thing. We researched, we made the platform in about 1.5 years,
Wow.
and then we launched it in 21. And it's been a slow journey. It's been a very fulfilling journey, but slow hai, because abhi bhi via the medium of conscious soup, when I get to interact with people, बहुत सारा गैप है. So लोग जानना तो चाहते हैं, सुनना भी चाहते हैं, but then they are still not there to make
Pick up
that
the products.
pick up the products and make it a consistent. Because I also tell people कि एक बार के लिए नहीं है ये चीज. It's a waste of money, you know, कि तुमने एक बार ये product खरीदा and then you go back to your normal product.
It's a lifestyle change.
It's a lifestyle change. तो अगर आपका, if you are
Thinking.
there in your stage of life where
yes.
you can make all those changes cumulatively, then only करने का मतलब है. Otherwise you are wasting your money. And that decision most people are not ready to make yet.
So this is a very powerful thought that you are sharing, is that it's a conscious choice that you're making in your lifestyle, and you're actually changing your lifestyle, and you're trying to take those tough decisions where you have to convince everyone, because it's not easy, right?
Yeah.
घर में family members, one person is different,
Yeah.
thinking differently. How do you kind of educate everyone and take a decision?
Yeah.
So how do you think of creating a scale? What is your plan? What is your strategy?
Yeah, so that's the toughest question in this lifetime that I have to answer. But yeah, but I think abhi isko scale karna, this is definitely possible. I mean, it is going to happen. I might not be able to do it with my limited resources and with my limited abilities to do it. But somebody will and will do it 100%. Scale to hoga, lekin it will take time, because right now in India we are in that phase where we are at that cusp of, you know, awareness and adoption के बीच में जो cusp होता है, we are there. And that also, I think only 1% of the Indian population has reached even that cusp. So the 99% is not even there. That 1% also is a very, very small segment of people. उनको reach करना पहले is very difficult. So it's not easy to reach that audience, but I think that audience exists. Need for these products exists, because need कैसे नहीं होगी, right? These are the, I mean, we are seeing how
yes. What is the
everything
impact
is
that
changing.
happening?
The impact
Yeah.
is so evident.
Yes,
We are talking about it every day, but we are not able to connect the dots and say that, okay, yeah, just because हमने सुबह नल नहीं बंद किया या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं, वो तो लोग नहीं कनेक्ट कर पा रहे कि यार नहीं किया तो कितना फर्क पड़ जाएगा, you know? How does, and then I have met people who tell me कि I don't give a damn where the planet is going. I don't know what to say to them. You keep renovating your home, you keep adding beautiful things to your home. What I mean, this is what we are leaving for. And I'm not being preachy, I'm very sorry if I'm sounding like that, but this is exactly what we are leaving for our kids, right? How will they utilize, how do we be able to utilize the money in COVID?
Absolutely.
और क्या कहाँ खर्च कर रहे थे हम लोग कोविड में पैसे? और क्या करते? How many people just passed away with that so much of shitload of money that they have?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, it's a very powerful thought. And
कैसे use कर रहे थे? I don't know. And how do you plan to do that? If suddenly one day things just start going downhill, then how do you plan to use all of it?
Right. So you've created, tell us something about how many women entrepreneurs you have on your platform. How do you create that community where you're inspiring them to take a leap forward and move forward? How do you do this?
So we've so far worked with about 500 plus women entrepreneurs and businesses.
Interesting.
And we work with everybody and anybody. It's not only for women and entrepreneurs, but
that.
But yeah, we do take special interest in our own fraternity a little bit more, because I want to try and see if I can do better and more. And I really don't feel that I'm there yet that anybody will be inspired by me. I'm just doing what I like doing. I really like what I do. I really find it very interesting and fun. I'm a very collaborative kind of a person myself, that I think of myself as that. So these conversations, these meetings, this talking to people, it comes naturally to me. I'm happy to do it. And I think यही कर पा रही हूँ मैं, इससे ज़्यादा तो मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है एक्चुअली। मतलब प्रोडक्ट भी वही बना रहे हैं, मार्केट्स में भी खुद ही आ रहे हैं, 2 दिन उनके जाते हैं, या हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी रहते हैं, तो प्रोडक्ट तो उनका ही है। जस्ट दैट हमने एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है कि आपको बेटर विजिबिलिटी मिल सके। तो फ्रैंकली आई सीरियसली डोंट फील कि अभी कुछ ऐसा ऐसा मुझसे इंस्पायर होने जैसा कुछ किया है, बट वन डे आई वुड लाइक टू, but yeah, it's fun to work with.
I think it's your humility. If we try and look here today in this space, there's so many entrepreneurs who have come, and they're conscious entrepreneurs, and they're deliberately taking this effort to create something which is sustainable, good for environment, good for planet. It's not small. I think this is another thing. All women have this imposter syndrome.
Maybe. I was telling somebody else yesterday. One of our cohort members only. She had called me. She has to go make a pitch somewhere, and she was telling me, what do I talk about? I said, you are the biggest asset that the brand has right now. So just talk about yourself, because she was right about the numbers ki nahi hai, and then how do I. So I said, talk about yourself, because what you bring, what you plan to do, and what you have done before to demonstrate the ability that you can do what you are proposing, that has to be demonstrated ना. तो मैं उसको बहुत ज्ञान दे रही थी।
नहीं, ये तो बहुत कॉमन है। आई थिंक इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम हमारे फीमेल्स के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा, वुमेन के साथ, दिस एंटायर कम्युनिटी हैज़ दिस इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम. How much ever we contribute and how much ever we achieve, we still feel that we are, somewhere left behind. Why do you think it is there?
आई हैव नॉट गिवन इट अ थॉट। मतलब मैंने इस बारे में भी बहुत नहीं सोचा है कि कि कितना मुझे कितना हाउ पीपल शुड बी लुकिंग अप टू मी। आई फील दैट अगर कोई लाइक इफ दे आर जस्ट accepting the things that we are talking about, or if agar like with this conversation also what we are doing right now, agar koi apna आधा घंटा देके, and if they make some sense out of it, I think our purpose is achieved, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So usse zyada bada I have not thought of really for myself, for my platform, for my business. I really want it to be uh, uh, considered at a certain place with some kind of a respect, and to be doing that respectable work. But as an individual, for myself, seriously, I've never given it a thought. Because I think also कि बहुत सारे लोग मिलके हम बना रहे हैं इसको, तो क्योंकि we are nothing without the products that come on the platform, or without these women, who are here. That is definitely there. I feel कि मेरा कोई product नहीं, I don't have a product. What do I sell? So unless and until you support me, I have to support you back, right? So that's the journey that you are on.
That's the journey that you say. That's a collaboration that
collaboration there. उसके बिना तो कुछ, there's no possibility of doing anything.
So what's your biggest lesson that you have for the budding entrepreneurs, budding women entrepreneurs, entrepreneurs who would like to take up social entrepreneurship as their career?
So I think about it. It's a thankless space. Yeah, it is a thankless space, and not that we are there. Again, I'm reiterating that we are not looking for acknowledgement or anything like that. But it is a tough space, because जो लोग इस space में है ना, वो खुद भी इतने struggle करके जहाँ तक आए हैं वहाँ तक आए हैं, and they also see a lot of struggle of other people. So they have toughened themselves up. So the conversations are not very warm. They are very straightforward, very realistic. And if you can keep it simple, and if you have a passion to without expecting anything in return, do something for, like how people are saying हमको क्या फर्क पड़ता है planet को
हाँ
क्या हो रहा
हाँ
है,
बिल्कुल
वो सब concepts को पीछे रख के अगर आपको लगता है कि आप कुछ करना चाहते हो, almost like a doctor maybe, I don't know how they
yes
think and
right
things, but then that is the kind of mentality that you need. You have to be a giving person to be able to do this, and this is not a money making kind of a enterprise. Money will come, but first, I mean, I think money will come. I'm not certain, but I'm saying that uh, the business should revolve around something else.
the purpose
द पर्पस, आई थिंक पर्पस भी आप अपना आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हो, बट वो जब आप उस रास्ते में होते हो ना, देन एवरी डे you feel that you're being
yes
pulled down, you're being
yes
pulled down. So that perseverance, that ability to just keep going at it without really, and that I think is not about social entrepreneurship,
it is
about
about
generally in
in
business. हमारा
yes yes
as
yes
women, you know, we
yes
are pulled down every day, you know, ये challenge वो challenge,
yes
तो आप ये मत करो आज and वो मत करो, then we keep going. So I think just keep going and do whatever you want to, and if this gives you happiness, the interaction, the
Mhm.
bringing something new to the market and being that uh, exclusive creator, then please do it. And just keep it simple and be happy.
I think I quite like this line that you are repeatedly saying, keep it simple.
Yeah.
A lot of times we get so so caught up in complexity that we forget simplicity. And you know, the biggest example I also give in my conversations with young minds is that look at Google. It looks so simple. Backend might be complicated, but we are not seeing that, right? It's like the tip of the iceberg. We have done so much, but the tip looks like okay, this
Easy
much
to
only,
do,
easy
yeah.
to do. So that is how it is. Like that resilience, that inner strength, we need to have to make things simple.
Yeah. And it doesn't come like you, if you say कि हम मैंने बोल दिया और दूसरे ने
हाँ,
मान लिया तो वो तो नहीं होगा.
वो भी नहीं होगा.
ये तो you also know,
Yes.
we have also learned
Yes, yes.
this through experience only ना. अगर हमें भी शायद a 25-year-old Pallavi would have known कि you just have to keep it simple and things will happen, then life would have been different.
Very different, I know.
But we have had our own challenges, our own, and it's उसके बिना तो we also don't develop as human beings as well, right?
Right. What has been your biggest challenge in life?
I would say personally, not knowing myself was my biggest challenge, and professionally, I would say that not really having some academic strengths in this area makes me uncomfortable in some conversations at times, because people know a lot of things more than I do. And when I interact with those people, it's not like they make me feel that you don't know, but I realize that if I have the opportunity of being here, then I could have done better. And no matter how much reading I do, the kind of experiences that they come with, वो match करना मुश्किल है. तो I have spent 15 years of my earlier life into a different career
Space,
altogether,
yes.
without an understanding that okay, this is what I wanted to do. So that has taken away some time from me, which is okay because that has developed in me in a certain different manner. But I feel कि if I would have had a certain kind of an education, so I feel that that's what I keep telling my daughter also, that think कि तुम क्या करना चाहते हो. She's just 13, so she tells me यार what do you want me to think about, but I'm just saying कि हम typical हमारे time पे कैसे होता था, engineering करो,
वो करो,
and
typical
then
professions defined
yeah,
होते थे,
defined
and then you
होते थे.
could actually not think out of the box,
No,
right?
and if you think out of the box, then you are pointed out
Yes,
to be
yes.
doing that also, right? So अभी तो इनके पास opportunity है. So if you want to be a chef, if you like cooking, so वो कुछ भी करती है, एक hobby she picks up, and I take her to that state, which is also not right. But मुझे लगता है कि opportunity है तो सोच लो
Make the
पहले से,
best of
yeah,
it.
and then your education can be in that way, and that aids and abets, right? I mean, engineering, no matter how much we say that, you know, it was something that was a course of life, it of course adds value to you.
Yes. The
Makes
the
you
reasoning,
hardworking.
the logic
Right,
that you
analytical
have,
skills,
the analytical
yeah.
skills, it definitely
Yeah,
I
adds
think
value.
nothing goes waste as long
No.
as you consider that as part of your learning journey and learning curve.
Yeah, everything in life I think gives you or takes away something from you. So I think वो एक मुझे lacking लगता है professionally, and I feel sometimes छोटा for that. But then I pick myself up and I say that okay ठीक है अभी I'll learn on the go. I'll learn better. I'll spend more time and I push myself a little harder. So that I'm tough on myself, but ठीक है.
So how do you motivate yourself when you're feeling very low?
So, see, the reason I'm doing what I'm doing, apart from my personal happiness, is also because I want my girls to see that if you put your mind to something, because every time you're in a conversation, you in my particular line of work, you are told that this is not a possibility, this is not going to happen. It's not going to happen in your lifetime. So you will not be able to see people changing in that kind of. So there are so many no's. I want them to see that we went at it. This happened. This was the conclusion. It was happy, sad, whatever it is, but we went at it. So that kind of a push, I really want them to see, and that's my. Did you ask me for my challenge?
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I think wo keeping at it is what I feel is the biggest
The
challenge
that you know, how do you maintain that consistency? How do you show up every day in spite of facing so many no's that you
Yeah.
face, and the space that you are in, very challenging, considering that there is a goal which looks impossible, which we know that we should be doing, yet
Yeah.
we are distracted, so much of distraction happening, and it looks unachievable, unattainable, but still you are at it. You show up every day, you get up every day and try to create a difference, right?
Yeah.
Somewhat.
Yeah.
Even if it's an iota of difference, but it is creating some kind of a difference, and that's
At least in my very close vicinity, so I have seen change, and I feel happy about even that. My kids are of course learning better, so I उससे ज़्यादा नहीं भी कर पाए तो हाँ ठीक है. I mean, I am at it, and I want them to know that you can be at it. It's okay. I mean, if you are, I mean, if you are in a direction which tomorrow also it's not showing immediate results, but you yourself also think there is a line of work, then why not go be at it? And to demonstrate that at itness, I have to be at it.
So, are there any tips for women entrepreneurs, especially to find the investors? Because this is a very challenging space for women entrepreneurs.
Yeah. So I think finding the investors, see, at least in the city that I live, there are many opportunities to interact, and nowadays I think people are out and about. Like earlier, interaction with a VC used to be like a very, oh my god, कहाँ मिलेगा कैसे? अभी तो you can go to so many different mixers, be a part of different like our program,
Yes.
or there's so many different programs to really reach out to these people. But then I would also suggest that before you take that big step in your life and think about the entire investor situation, please invest time and money in your product and yourself, because I see that happening, that a lot of, especially in the social art and craft space, there is very strong skills, right? There is an Indian craft that you're selling.
Yes.
Right? तो आपको लगता है कि अरे ये तो बहुत solid product है, but the product has been there from so long, right? So unless and until you are changing, helping the product evolve or the storyline evolve, it's not attractive for anybody. That has been there. The differentiator, the conversation has to be why you picked up that product and you want कि हाँ ठीक है अभी तुम में कोई पैसा invest करे, and that craft is already there. We know about it. So are you adding a design to it? You're taking it to another part of the world, or you are doing something with it that has not been done so far. That investment has to happen before you think of. But yeah, if you're ready, I think Shark Tank and so much happening in Bangalore, it's a great place. And then I think women are very eager to connect them to each other and to other people as well. So reach out to your fellow entrepreneurs and uh, have a heart to heart, collaborate in different manners. I mean, in put together, maybe the product gets better, maybe the storyline gets better. So I think collaboration for investment is very important, because then the investor will also see that you know you're supported, you're already validated.
Yes, Web.
So then why not? I mean, think of it from building something with somebody.
With somebody.
Yeah,
Right.
and
The proposition has to, value proposition and the
Has to
value
be
is
strong.
and the value that you are bringing to the table, and you're trying to solve that problem. So it has to be strong. You have to be very sharp
Yeah.
in what you're communicating.
And I think that if that is there, then I think people are reaching out to you. I mean, I know of Rain Matter, Zerodha's fund. They are actually scouting for brands. They are very keen to the health space. They are very keen to the climate space, the content space. So they are actually out in the market and they're really picking out people.
Absolutely.
So I think अगर आपका value proposition great है, जो कि I am nobody to say because I am
Yes.
yet building mine.
Yes.
But वो अगर है तो फिर there is no
There is
lack
no
of anything.
Yes,
Yeah.
right. And we are actually living in a very interesting space right now where world is your oyster,
Exactly.
and you can connect with anyone.
Anyone.
I still remember, पहले तो अगर किसी से connect करना होता किसी founder से तो मतलब receptionist के बाद उसके next
PA and then, yeah.
like manager, and then now you can just send a powerful
LinkedIn message,
LinkedIn
yeah.
message, done, sorted. This is how but the message that you are sending,
Yeah.
the email, whatever you are sending, that has to be powerful.
Clear about what you want to
Yes,
do.
it has to be clutter breaking,
Yeah.
so that someone pays attention and
Attention
they
to it,
invite
yeah.
you for a conversation.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, absolutely. And that will come only with your own clarity, right?
So clarity is something that is
Yeah.
absolutely important.
Yeah.
Great. I think we had very interesting conversation, which is very heartfelt and very unscripted, very raw. So we love having these conversations because this is what the audience is looking for. Very unfiltered, very very real, heartfelt. Then they see the other side of the entrepreneurship or a change maker's journey. Because a lot of times what happens, उनके दिमाग में ऐसे होता है, अब ये लोग इस लेवल पे पहुंच गए, क्या ये पराठा और पापड़ खाते हैं क्या? या इनका खाना अलग है, या इनका रहना अलग है. So it's actually that we are the same people.
Yeah,
Nothing
of
like
course.
we are the same people on the same journey, same learning curve. Nothing has changed. We are also facing those daily struggles. Maybe what do you say? The structure has changed, but we are also going through the similar.
Maybe we address it differently. We
Yes.
don't get affected so much by it.
Yes.
That's the only change. और तो कुछ change
और
नहीं है.
कुछ नहीं है. Otherwise,
कुछ
the
भी नहीं है.
same.
है.
Same.
The lives, I mean, everything is same. The way we address our kids or the family, I think सब कुछ similar है.
सब कुछ similar
Nothing
है.
changes, but just that कि आपका response क्या है वो थोड़ा time के साथ और like now you don't have to react for everything,
so
right?
the journey has moved from reaction to response.
हाँ.
So I think that's the maturity that you have in this entire journey, and
for that you don't have to be an entrepreneur, because
yes,
as women only, I think that is something that comes naturally to us.
Lovely. I think this entire conversation, I loved having this conversation. Any message that you feel you would like to give to the viewers?
I think to people who are thinking to go out and do something by themselves, I would just very humbly suggest to build a strong support system for yourself. And support system is not only of some money, definitely, work for a little bit, collect some funds, because your money is your money, right?
Absolutely.
So that support system of money, support system of family, maybe spend a little bit more time. Maybe your corporate life
Journey,
will give
yes,
you an
yes.
opportunity to do that also, where you spend a little bit more time solidifying your family
Hmm.
and how your kids should react to a situation, how your husband should, uh, and also your external support system. So I truly believe that सारी चीज़ें हमें अपने अंदर फैमिली से ही नहीं मिल सकती हैं. This support system that I have with you,
Hmm.
or with my other set of women that I meet somewhere else, or set of men that I met somewhere else, that is very important to build support. That's your biggest support system.
Right.
And thankfully, I have built it for the first 15 years. And that's why I could do the next 10 years, I could do what I wanted to do. Because otherwise, it's very tough. So I would really urge people to save up some money if you want to do it something by yourself, which is not mandatory. But if you want to go
Yes,
on your own
absolutely.
entrepreneurial journey and try it out for yourself, then please have some money collected. Don't just feel that, okay, I have an idea and somebody will fund it. Okay, great if it's fundable, but
Hmm.
then just to sustain everything, have the same kind of life, make a nice cushion for yourself, have your entire support system solidified, have people who are supporting you, make that circle, collaborate,
Hmm.
talk to people, be very clear about what you want to make. You might not be clear about the business idea, which will evolve,
Yes, absolutely.
but
Hmm.
क्लियर अबाउट ओके दिस पर्सन विल सपोर्ट मी. हैव
Hmm.
लाइक 2-3 लोग ना,
हाँ.
ज्यादा भी नहीं, बट 2-3 होने चाहिए ना जो कि
बिल्कुल
आपको
बिल्कुल.
कभी भी
कभी
सपोर्ट
भी
करें.
कॉल करें, दे आर
या
रेडी टू सपोर्ट एंड कम.
क्योंकि हम उसको अंडर एस्टिमेट
हाँ,
करते हैं.
बिल्कुल
लेट मी
करते.
टेल यू, बहुत
पावर
अंडर
ऑफ
एस्टिमेट करते हैं.
नेटवर्क
एंड
इज
विमेन तो और भी.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल हमारे साथ तो बिल्कुल ही होता है.
बिल्कुल नहीं होता कि कभी बच्चे का कुछ है, कभी यू नो फैमिली में कुछ है, एंड यू ऑलवेज प्रायोरिटाइज दैट.
यस.
बट विद टाइम आई हैव लर्नड कि नो, वो भी
Ask
अभी भी
for
मैं
help.
नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. हाँ, आस्क फॉर हेल्प and be there for these things, that these times when we are coming together, because ये भी easily नहीं होता है. And it is a very powerful medium. Like it helps you recharge, it helps you refocus, rethink about everything. So build that cushion for yourself, build that support system. And थोड़ा late भी start करो तो क्या बुराई है, but build that, and then you go for it.
Be at ease.
Yeah, and then you know सब
Right?
सिंपली
Yeah,
आराम से
enjoy that process. There is
एग्जैक्टली.
no comparison. We tend to, a lot of times we tend to compare, and that is what leads to this burnout and confusion that we have.
Yeah,
Be at your own pace, and
I mean I don't understand burnout. अगर हम वो कर रहे हैं जो, मतलब बहुत लोग
हाँ,
बोलते हैं ना, तो
बिल्कुल.
हमें, मुझे नहीं समझ में आता, क्योंकि अभी बर्नआउट मतलब तुम उधर भी बर्नआउट था तो तुम निकले, फिर अब तुम ये कर रहे हो, अब यहाँ पर भी बर्न. तो
Why?
you figure what you
Yes.
want to do
Yes.
and how much you want to go at it, because it's not for कि आज किया और फिर कल नहीं किया
Yes.
kind of a thing. So yeah, I think that support system helped me a lot.
Wow, incredible conversation. Thank you, Pallavi, for giving time and having this wonderful conversation.
Thank you to you for asking me these questions. I've also not thought about so much of it for a very long time. But yeah, it was super fun.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for
Thank
taking out
you.
time.
Thank you.